Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be a quick step-by-step on how to restore your desktop icons when you lose them on Windows 10. This week we had a client who had lost all of their desktop icons and was really disappointed as they had only saved them onto their computer. Side note, please remember to save your data to your OneDrive and not your computer, as you will lose the information. But on the other hand, we did manage to get that data back for the client and everything is sorted. As you have probably already noticed, we have started a new series on this channel called TechBytes, which essentially is a series of videos that consist of helpful information and guidance to help you with your day-to-day problems when you are dealing with IT. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe for more useful tech content, and if you have been here before, please feel free to like down below and maybe even drop a comment if you do enjoy this video and it does help you. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Many people get this problem and it's a much more often occurrence than you might think. But not to worry, with a few simple clicks, they will be back in no time. So to do this, you will need to right click on your mouse and hover over the view option, and there should be an option at the bottom, show desktop icons. And your icons should be back to normal on your desktop screen. You can also change the size of your icons this way by again selecting view and then choosing large icons, medium icons or small icons. And that is the really quick and simple solution to your disappearing icon problem. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Also, if you have any other video recommendations or any problems that you have faced or are facing currently, then please let us know in the comments section and we can be sure to do a video on those problems for you. That will be all from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!